I wasn't sure what I was going to come up with or end up with when I started this guitar. The solid one-piece mahogany body was intriguing to me. 4 pounds, total pounds and everything. Now this thing weighs 7 pounds and 6 ounces. But one of the benefits I found out about this body as I'm just playing it and monkeying around with it is that acoustically it sounds really pleasing, you know, just playing it and acoustically. It's loud enough that you can play it and practice your licks. You don't have to be plugged in because you can hear what it's doing. You can hear where you muffed everything right there, you know. So anyway, I'm real pleased with this. I can see myself laying on the couch, binge watching on Netflix and trying to get something right. It's loud enough for that.